Hi, Don here. Well, forget it. That is the Wanhao D9. Since the very first day, I have been having problems with the bed leveling. And this video is special for Wanhao. Unfortunately, I don't know why, put everything together according to the instructions. I checked the wheels on the bottom. Don't know what's up. And the frame parts, the two 20 by 20 frame parts, they were both loose in the front and completely unattached in the back. And, well, in my unboxing video, I think you've seen that I had to put that all back together. But anyway, I ran the ABL I was seeing in several positions on the third row and on the fourth row, where the nozzle come down onto the bed. And how should I say, if the nozzle was coming straight down to the bed, all of a sudden you see this number a little bit, because the Z-axis is coming down further, a millimeter or two. So I thought, okay, maybe I have to do a manual bed level. I started the manual bed level. It goes, and with the ABL, front length corner, does its test, and then waits for instructions. On the display you see 1, 2, 3, and 4. And went to 1, that goes down to the first position. Paper, 80 gram underneath it, adjusted there and on all 4 corners. But strange that the manual bed level does not have a center position to where you can control the center. Well, anyway, further on, tried the ABL again. Again, the same thing. Pushing down at several points on the bed. I thought, okay, maybe, don't know. So I went and did a manual bed level again. And then I tried to print something. I still have right here, where you can see this little bit of blue, there is a 0.1 millimeter thin layer of filament that I can't get off from the bed. Yeah, this is really cool, magnetic bed, you know. It's not bad at all. But anyway, because of the problems, one on Facebook wrote to me and told me to check underneath the bed the screws. Well, okay. I checked the screws, and what did I find? What did I find? These little screws, 5 of them were loose. 5 of them were loose. And now the best thing, I tightened it up And then I checked all of the wheels underneath again. 3 on the left, 3 on the right. I don't know how I see 4 left, 4 right. However, I think on that day I was not, because of all my medications, I was not on best form. But yeah, 2 left and 2 right, okay. But you have 1 in the middle on each side too. Sorry about that. But anyway, I checked the wheels again. You could move the bed by just turning the wheels on most of them, with the exception of the front wheel on the right hand side front. And well, let's just say I got my wrench. I thought, okay, it needs to be tightened a little bit. And you know, that's something, when I say a little bit, I mean you make just a 1/8 of a turn each time, and then you control it. You don't make a half turn or a quarter turn. You make an 1/8 of a turn, you know, millimeter wise. But when I tried to do that, all of a sudden I hear a pop, and this wheel came off. And as you can see, real close, I can push this Allen wrench into here with no problem at all. That means there's no broken screw inside. Where is the screw that's supposed to hold this? Here down underneath, I do not feel a screw. Where is the screw? I took this apart, or I started taking it apart, thinking maybe somewhere, but there is no way that a screw could be sitting somewhere around. And then I see, yes, I see now a screw right here in the middle. I don't know if this is supposed to go. Yeah. Well, let's say if this is the screw that is supposed to go all the way through and hold this wheel, that's not it. Because this screw is only a M2 by 5, let's say. Now the next question is, Wanhao, what are we going to do? I sent Facebook message with all the information. Now you can see the video to it. I will send you the link to this video so that you can see that. It looks like you need to send me a replacement part to put down here. I'm not sure, but I would like to know what is that problem with the bed leveling. You sent me a Facebook message to contact a Mikey. I sent him on Friday morning an email, I think it was, or Friday afternoon, or Thursday evening, I'm not sure. I have not received an answer to this time. And I don't think that would be a good idea if the German television team that will be coming to me, I don't think that will be a good idea if they see this printer sitting like that, not working. That's not a good advertisement. So I do hope that something will be done quickly. Well then, for all other, I do wish happy printing and have a nice day. Bye for now.